Ever wondered how much it really costs to trade crypto on Kraken? Are you constantly battling the feeling that you're paying too much in fees, but you're not entirely sure why or where those charges are coming from? You're not alone. Many traders, both new and experienced, find the labyrinthine world of exchange fees to be one of the most frustrating aspects of crypto investing. It's a common pain point. You execute a trade, the numbers flash, and suddenly your balance is a little less than you expected, with a portion seemingly vanishing into thin air. That disappearing act? That's fees at work. Kraken, as one of the oldest and most respected cryptocurrency exchanges, offers a robust platform for everything from simple spot trades to complex futures contracts and even staking. But like any financial service, they have a fee structure in place that funds their operations, security, and development. Understanding this structure isn't just about saving a few dollars, it's about optimizing your trading strategy, maximizing your returns, and ensuring you're making informed decisions in a highly volatile market. Ignoring fees is like leaving money on the table, and in the fast-paced world of crypto, every Satoshi counts. Whether you're a casual investor making a few $100 buys a month or a high-volume trader moving millions, the fees you pay can significantly impact your bottom line. So, let's pull back the curtain and demystify Kraken's trading fees. We're going to break down every major fee type, from the most common spot trading fees to the more nuanced charges associated with margin, futures, and even staking. We'll explore how they're calculated, what factors influence them, and most importantly, how you can potentially reduce your fee burden. Get ready to transform from someone who pays fees into someone who understands and manages them strategically. This isn't just a breakdown, it's your guide to becoming a more efficient and profitable Kraken user. The foundation: spot trading fees, maker versus taker. At the heart of Kraken's fee structure, especially for regular spot trading, is the maker-taker model. This is a common industry standard designed to incentivize liquidity on the exchange. Think of it this way: when you place an order, you're either adding to the order book, making the market, or taking liquidity from the order book, taking from the market. Maker fees: you pay a maker fee when you place a limit order that isn't immediately matched by an existing order on the order book. Your order rests on the order book, adding liquidity to the market. For example, if Bitcoin is currently trading at $60,000 and you place a limit buy order for $59,500, your order won't execute immediately. It will sit on the order book, waiting for the price to drop to your desired level. Because you're contributing to the depth and stability of the market by providing this liquidity, Kraken rewards you with lower fees. This is often seen as a benefit for more strategic traders who aren't in a rush to execute their trades. Taker fees: you pay a taker fee when you place a market order or a limit order that is immediately matched against an existing order on the order book. You are taking liquidity out of the market. For instance, if you place a market buy order for Bitcoin, it will execute instantly at the best available price. This is convenient for quick trades, but because you're removing liquidity, you generally pay a slightly higher fee. Kraken spot trading fees are structured in tiers, based on your 30-day rolling trading volume, measured in USD. The more you trade, the lower your maker and taker percentages become. This volume discount incentivizes active traders to remain on the platform. For new or low-volume traders, under $10,000 in 30-day volume, the maker fee starts at 0.25% and the taker fee at 0.4%. As your volume increases, these percentages steadily decrease. For example, if your 30-day volume hits $100,000, your maker fee could drop to 0.12% and your taker fee to 0.22%. Reach the higher echelons of trading, say $10 million or more, and your maker fee can even go to 0%, with taker fees as low as 0.1% or even 0.08% for institutional clients with significant activity across Kraken's suite of products. It's crucial to remember that these volume tiers apply specifically to spot crypto trading volume. Other activities, such as using the Buy Crypto widget or trading stablecoin/FX pairs, don't contribute to this 30-day volume discount for spot trading. Beyond the basics: instant buy, convert, and payment fees. While the maker-taker model applies to trading on the Kraken Pro platform and the regular web platform, Kraken also offers simpler ways to acquire crypto, such as the instant buy feature and the convert option. These are designed for convenience, often at the cost of higher fees. Instant buy sell. When you use the instant buy or instant sell feature, you're essentially buying or selling crypto directly from Kraken, rather than through the open order book. The price you see includes a spread, which is the difference between the market rate and the rate you receive. This spread acts as a built-in fee, and Kraken may retain any excess spread from the transaction. While Kraken doesn't explicitly state a fixed percentage for instant buy fees, user reports and support information suggest these can be significantly higher than Kraken Pro's maker-taker fees, sometimes up to 1.5% or more. This convenience fee ensures price certainty at the time of order execution, which can be appealing for new users or those making quick, smaller purchases. Convert feature. Similar to instant buy, the convert feature allows you to quickly swap one cryptocurrency for another, or crypto for fiat, and vice versa. Again, a conversion fee is embedded in the exchange rate you receive. This method is typically more expensive than placing a limit order on the Kraken Pro platform. For small balance conversions, a fixed 3% fee applies to amounts below the minimum order size. Payment fees, deposits and withdrawals getting your money onto and off Kraken also incurs fees, though these vary widely depending on the method and currency. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.